Hey Dad, it's about the 25th of October, sorry, so I'll give you a quick little update. So what we've done is siding's all finished now. We still got a little bit of trim work to do and soffits, but we've gone through and we've done some of the electrical outside. I got my electrical permit finished, or not finished, but approved for rough-in, which is perfect. We've gone through and we've put soffit lights in. We haven't put the soffits in yet. We've still got to kind of do up and around the outside, but all the outside's basically done. What we've been doing on the interior is we've gone through and you can see that we've put, this is what they call a rock wool product. It's kind of like it's an insulation product, and then we've had to put a plastic sheet up, which we call a vapor barrier, and then we've gone through and we tack tape or vapor barrier all our joints and then any of our staple holes, just to kind of like give a basically they call a vapor barrier between the two. So what we've done is we've insulated all the way up. I've done the sides, but I haven't done the top. I'll do the top once I get the plywood on. And what we've done, what I have done is I bought a full, what they call a lifter plywood, which is 66 sheets of plywood. This is an MDO plywood, so it's a medium density overlay product, which has basically a paper coating on the top, and you can kind of see here that we've got the paper coating, and then we've got basically the veneers. It's a 12.5 half inch 12.5 millimeter sheet, and what I'm doing is I'm cutting them down into 2x8s, which is basically half sheets, and then I'm putting a bevel, like a little 4 millimeter bevel around the outside edge to kind of give a tile style of placement. So I'll offset them like brick pattern or a bit of a tile pattern. We still just got temporary lights in. I got my electrical, all my electricals all been approved and permitted, which is awesome. He was very happy with the way that I'd done. We just got some temporary lights in at the moment, but we're basically, the way it's going to be sealed up is over, and then we've got the little storage shelf up the top, and it kind of bevels up, and then I've done like a little false ceiling between the apex of the ceiling, just to kind of give me the a bit of an attic space above that, just to gives me the hot cold zones. Everything else, what we've done is I've got my old drain that I put in when we poured the concrete, and then I've also got the water, which I've got from house water, which just the cold water line bringing over, gives me just a little bit to wash hands and stuff. So this is what it's kind of looking like at the moment. She's all sealed up, ready to start to sheet on the inside. All the windows have been foam filled around the outside edges, just to kind of take that any type of air movement away. Electrical's ready to go, but I'll do that once I get the sheeting on the walls. Some data, cameras, Wi-Fi, all the good stuff that's normally inside a house. I did purchase a little dust collector unit. It's really good. It's super quiet. Just a one machine, which is all I need, just for when I'm doing the table sawing, or whether if I'm using the chop saw, or actually running the little router that I've got to do all the beveling. Just picks up all the dust and everything else. So that's where we're at the moment. Looks good, coming along. Super busy at work, so I'm not getting a lot of time onto the project, but we'll get there. Cool, thanks for watching.